dispute a charge from Crunchyroll on statement. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into crunchyroll.com and make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So in here, you can even use the application version of it. It does not matter. Just make sure you're logged into your account. After successfully logging into your account, simply get to your profile icon on the top right corner. Then from there, you can actually get into your account details. Tap on that one. Then you can select the billing as the issue type here. So simply select the billing, and then from your billing, you'll actually be able to get the contact us option. Tap on that one, and then in here, what you're going to do is simply provide your invoice details and tell them your exact problem. So you can actually submit a request regarding your billing like that. And if unassisted, what you can actually do is dispute the transaction directly with your card issuing your bank too. So you can either try to contact your Crunchyroll first of all, and if they cannot help you, then you can actually contact your bank in order to directly dispute the transaction too. So yeah, that is it.